I could do that. A little sketch, kind of looks like a butt. This cardboard is surprisingly hard to bend. Ow, my titty. Okay, I got, hi, hello, you can't hear me very well, I bet. Basically what I've done is I've cut out these pieces and then wired them together. Ouch. My hands hurt. Ouchie. Wait, I want to be Rudolph. Cause like Christmas almost here. Hold on. Yeah. I'm Rudolph. I got little sad ears because Rudolph's depressed, I guess. Alright, well this is me now. I'm very satisfied. Okay, moving on. It's not even Christmas yet. It's like November. I put some foil in the back here to kind of pull it back so that this is a little more open so you can actually see. It's pretty good. Foil eyes, and it's really sturdy, like it's doing good. I'm gonna paper mache it now after I let my camera charge for a while because it is going to die. My floor is covered in cardboard and paper and stuff. I have this, which looks very appetizing. Delicious. One down, 100 million thousand to go. You know, it has... You know, it being warm, it kind of, and the consistency, even the color, but I mean, it's working at least, which is cool. I don't want it to get on my floor though, because bitch knows I'm not going to clean that shit up for months. That's not a conversation I want to have with anybody. My foot has so much cum on it. I got sick for a week straight. That's awkward. Anyways, sanded her down. I still need to paper mache the eyes that'll go in here. I'm gonna paint some shit. I've got a variety of different greens here that I think I will mix together, most likely. And yes. The glory hole. I'm sorry. Oh, there's a wire poking out there. Fantastic. Right into your brain. So I've finished-ish doing another coat of paint. And so I'm gonna let that dry, and while I let that dry, I am going to try on stuff from Goodwill that I got. Man, I'm going to need to color grade the shit out of this. Damn. I got this slip dress, which is really long, but I tucked it up into the corset a bit. The fit, very much too big, but I'm just gonna use these ties, I think, to do a thing. I'll come back. Tied it up a bit. I also like it with a little bit tucked in from the sides, but this is fine too. I like it like this, little high-low situation. It's got like a little circle at the bottom, comes in and goes back. I don't know, I like the silhouette a lot. This is two different dresses layered on top of each other. A little bit of a close-up. Here is what they look like without any corset or fancy ruffling layered on top of each other. Ah! My light went out. Okay, I got this skirt. These boots are made for walking. I also got a bunch of fabric. Anyways, now that my thing's done drying, let's go spray paint it for the added extra layer of spray paint, I guess. Oh my god. I got this cow. Look at this cow. Look at how cute it is. Ah, so squishy. Hold up. I went to Walmart and got Christmas decorations for my desk. I'm back now. And yes, I went dressed like this because, can't deny the fit. Oh, my glasses are on my head still. Oh, fuck. Me and the boys. me and the bull. Oh, that's weird. Oh, that's really weird. I can hear everything in HD. What? HD is nuts. Me and the boys. I don't have any boys. I can hear God. Okay, we're good. We're done.